Mabagal ba internet ko? Up, focus. Where are you go? Focus! Bagal. Parang nawawala internet ko. Okay ba internet ko? Hindi po lag? Okay ba? Wala kasing sumasagot. Bakit? Nag-overthink ako. Hindi kasi kayo sumasagot. Okay. Isi-zoom out ko lang onti kasi. Magkaiba pala yung dito sa camera and ano. How's the mic, guys? Is the audio okay? Is the audio okay, guys? Kasi magko-content tayo at medyo nagmamadali po ako kasi may junket ako. Video call, junket. Yes, clear. Thank you guys so much for your cooperation and minimization. Loud and clear. Salamat po, Uncle. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, I'm gonna try hitting the record. Hindi ko alam kung nagre-record. How do I know if I'm recording? Guys, bear with me. Huh? Hindi ko alam kung nagsisave siya. Oh my gosh. How? I have to get this thing figured out. Live record. Okay, SD card. Okay. Alam ko na kung paano. Okay. I-record ko tong live na to guys. Gagawin kong content. Yeah, let it win me. Jinho pagawa ng alarm. Wag ka na gumising. Okay na yan. Okay, so guys, I'm preparing for my junket with Pak Hyung-sik for his Disney Plus series called Buried Hearts. So I have to get ready in about 1 hour, and I wanted to do that with you guys. So let's get Latino with me. Okay. So I don't know how this, I'm recording this through Holyland Venus Live version 2 while interacting with you guys via live. So hindi ko alam. This is my first time doing this type of content using this equipment, obviously. So hindi ko alam. Sana maayos ang recording nito. At sana maganda din po ang audio natin. Actually, sobrang lakas ng electric fan ko right now. You guys can tell by my hair. Like, it's giving Beyonce vibe. Ayan. Sana hindi po maingay. Maingay po ba? Although I do have the noise cancellation activated, so I don't know how much of that will help in terms of audio. Hindi po siya maingay. Ooh, mukhang magandang noise cancellation. And did you guys even know that there's a mic here? Ang galing, no? Hindi siya halata, hindi siya yung lapel na gumaganon yung t-shirt mo, yung makikita yung cleavage mo na parang, hindi ka talaga magaganyan. So happy. Okay. We're using the Holyland Venus live, Venice. I don't know if it's Venus or Venice. Actually, me and Yel and Juani were meeting later evening after my work. So okay, let's get going, guys. Mamaya na tayo mag-chit-chat, guys. Baka malate ako sa trabaho ko. Wait. Okay. So number one, syempre dapat mag-prime tayo. Should I use the mist or should I use the gel? Gel? Ano ba to? Should I use the cream or should I use the gel? Oh, look at this product focus shot. Ooh, galing. Ooh. Mist. Okay. I'm just gonna do the first comment. Okay, braces. Okay, first. So we're using the Jungsemul. Super clear ang camera, guys, no? So we're using the Jungsemul Mist, Fine Mist. Essential Mole Micro Fitting Mist. Whatever, wala akong pakisave. Di naman ako sponsor. Guys, i-record ko to, Bala kayo dyan. Sa mga camera shy dyan, magtago na kayo kasi hindi ako magbababa ng video ko. Alright, let it set. Para kang nagvo-vlog. Oh, para kang nagvo-vlog. Nagvo-vlog po ako ngayon, guys. Nagvo-vlog po ako ngayon. So, itong camera na to, ang tinetest ko po ngayon, nag-get ready ako habang nire-record ko to dito sa mismong camera. Dati kasi, meron akong live na camera. Before, like, the last time I did this type of content, meron akong camera na naka-live, yung cellphone ko na naka-live, tapos meron din akong separate na camera na nasa taas. Pero ito, it can do both in one. Let's do it. Pack. Di ba? Sabi ni Holy Land, bitch, be creative! It's okay. I'm not gonna do any arte-arte kasi hindi po tayo makapal na makeup kasi dito lang naman tayo sa bahay. As in, lilingon lang ako, ganun. Ganun lang ako, ganun. Andyan lang yung setup ko para sa interview. Nagpapa-Latino lang ng very light kasi syempre bakyong shit ang kausap mo dito. So, now we're gonna choose what are we gonna use as base. Do we use Issey or do we use Jungsemul Cushion? Cushion or foundation? Klaro-klaro ng pores. Kaya nga actually may built-in filter din siya. Oh my God. Cushion. Okay, we're gonna go for cushion. Kasi gusto niya talaga mapapagod ako eh. Wala nga akong oras. Gusto niya Sige, sabi niya eh. Ayan, tissue ni Jenny. Wait lang Wala nga akong oras. Gusto niya mapagod pa. Diyos ka. Lilinisan ko lang. Itong kabilang side is a sanitize kufa. Yun. Okay. Ganda naman ako dito. Okay, so andito po yung salamin ko. Huwag po kayong magalit. Baka sasabihin nyo, hindi tayo nag-eye contact. Ano tayo, jowa? Ba't ka galit? Okay. We're gonna dip. Diba? I-finger. Hindi mo. I-dip natin yung cushion. Okay? Just ganun lang. Hindi yung, huwag mo i-diin, B. Hindi to puwet. Hindi. Jungsemul nude cushion siya, pero holiday edition kaya magkaiba lang yung kulay from the traditional color, okay? And then bawasan natin dito onte, ayan. Bawasan. Huwag diretso. Pwede nyo to balikan mamaya, di ba? Ayan, ganon. Napansin ko lahat ng gamit ko Jungsemul. So again, we're recording through Holyland Venus V2, Live V2. Do you guys hear that? Parang live vlog lang. Yes po, Sir MJ, this is being recorded. Do you hear the sound? Napipick up ba ng mic nung sound ng cushion? Is my wireless lapel picking up the sound of the cushion? Oh, it is! Kahit hindi ko ilapit. Hindi siya malakas. Sakto lang siya. Okay, ito. This is, actually, ino-OA ko para sa inyo, para entertaining. Pero ito yung normal. Naririnig nyo pa rin? Naririnig nyo pa rin po? Ay, ito yung maganda sa Holyland mic kasi sabi nung nagbigay sa akin nito, it will cancel out any like aircon noise, electric fan, or like, unnecessary noises. pero it will still pick up yung mga noises na necessary. Kunwari, yung may nagsasalita sa tabi mo, ganun, yung katabi mo, ganun, it will still pick up. Oh my God, so this is good. Kasi may mga ibang noise cancelling lapels. I mean, wait, let me do that again. Kasi may mga ibang noise lapels na nagka-cancel out talaga like everything. Everything. Yung masyado ng AI ang dating. Do you guys see the cushion? Oh. Actually, I bought this mic myself. Hindi pala binigay sa akin. Parating pa lang yung ibibigay nila sa akin. They're gonna give me extra one more daw. Ito binili ko talaga. Yung kaka-release lang nila sa Orange app, binili ko agad. ASMR. Guys, I'm not even tapping that hard. Hindi siya malakas mag-tap. And guys, and you guys might think tapping hard is bad, but no, guys. People like me, yung mga may puffy faces, if you tap like this, it produces collagen and also it depuffs your face. Wag yung ganun. Siyempre magkakapasa yung mukha mo, malamang. Ganun lang. Pero like this much. This is okay. Ay, hindi po siya product review, guys. It's actually, I just want to explore kasi niregalo po sa akin. Again, guys, hindi po siya sponsored live, hindi to live selling. I'm just trying. So, please, wag nyo po isipin na nagbebenta ako dito, guys. Wala akong sponsor dito. Nagmamadali lang talaga ako. You know, as a tech junkie, alam mo naman, di ba, Jinho Bay, all about quality content, di ba? Well, di naman lagi, pero I try. And I want to do that with you guys. Tignan mo, pinapahirapan nyo pa ako. Diyos ko, guys. Di, kung foundation tapos na, gano'n lang. Yan, around the nose, wipe it. Actually, parang minamassage ko na din. Sobrang Latina ba yung skin? Unrecognizable makeup. Bakit pa ako magme-makeup kung ma-unrecognize? You mean, hindi ako ma-recognize bilang Jinho? Mag-i-interview talaga ako. Baka mamaya kick out nila ako sa interview junket. Sasabihin nila, hindi ito yung hinanap namin. Back. Wag naman yung ganun. Guys, hindi siya makapal. Ano lang yung ma-tension lang yung puff. You know what I like about this camera? Usually mabagal mag-focus pag camera and ano yung bilis na mag-ano. I don't know, sobrang clear. Yes. It's so white. I know that I am very white. Tsaka nag-oxidize yung skin ko, guys. So I always have to put a foundation that is like half tone brighter. Nag-oxidize kasi skin ko. Hindi OA. Grabe. Okay. Oh, by the way, meron akong tanong. Meron ba kayong mga suggestion ng local concealers? Cause I actually have never tried a local concealer. May maganda ba? Wag sana yung for dry skin po. How do you, Otowo? Lovely, Maybelline. No, Maybelline is not a local product. IL Makiage. Oh, IL Makiage. Parang ano. EC. EC has a nice concealer. I know they have. The SEM is Korean. Okay. So, since wala tayong ibang concealer, ito muna. We're gonna dip into the... You know what I like about this camera? Look. You can... Yan. You can zoom in. And it doesn't break the quality. Yeah, you're gonna use this one, the closer to the skin tone. Diba ganyan, itap-tap. And then what you're gonna do is bawasan nyo dito. Like to a point na parang ubos na. Ano ba gagamitin mo dyan? Yung parang ganun level. Babawasan mo. Ayan, ganun, di ba? And then, we're gonna cover this up. One layer. Actually, this one's a scub eh. Kaya mahirap to i-cover eh. Hindi po ako pwede mag-invite dito sa feature na to. Tapos, ayan. A little bit tap-tap. Dito rin. Ayan. Ang hirap tumingin sa salamin. Baka mamaya out of frame ako, guys. Tapos tap, 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 tap. Spread lang. Ganun lang. A little by little. Color corrector po ba yung green? Yes po. Alangan foundation shade ko green. Ano ako, si Elfa ba? Hindi. Uy, joke lang tayo. Wag magtatampo dito ah. Joke lang, joke lang. And then a little bit here. Alam mo, saan ko nakuha tong lahat ng mga nag-breakouts? Sa kakapuyat ko ng Valentine's. Kaka-edit ng mga rush edits for breakshot. Pero I don't blame you guys. Iyak ako ng iyak, diba? Okay. And zoom out. Wait. Hanggang saan ba tong zoom in na to? Hala! Tama na. Hindi na maganda. Hindi na siya maganda. Hindi na siya Latino. Ano na siya? Hindi na maganda talaga. Okay. Okay. Now, ano ba next? Dapat ba powder? Okay. This is where we decide. Ito na lang. Do we use the Method? Since wala tayong time, do we use the Method contour or do we use the Fenty contour? Alam mo, maganda siya. Maganda yung camera. Hindi ko kailangan i-ganyan. Ang bilis niya mag-focus kahit walang harang. I don't know, just so, like product shots. What should I use? Fenty or Method? Nawala ba internet ko? Nawala na naman kayo. Bis, samahan nyo naman ako. Ito naman, grabe naman ang mga patience tong mga to. Iniiwan ako agad. Fenty. Okay, Fenty. Diyan lang kayo. Paano ako mag-live content? Walang nanonood. Okay. So we're gonna use cream. So I don't wanna make it too thick. So this is what I'm gonna do. Yan, dito. Hindi siya halata sa video. Kasi ang lakas ng ilaw. Ganun lang. Ikaw ba yung nasa Showtime dati? Yes po, ako po yun. Dati mukhang Songgyeopsal, ngayon mukhang Samgyeopsal. Songgyeopsal noon, Samgyeopsal ngayon. Ha! Yes, nose contour tayo muna, guys. Ha? I'll show you. This is how I do nose contour. I don't do it like Diretso ganon. I started from the eye hole. Pag gumanon kayo, meron yan butas dito. Dito. Doon kayo magano, start, ganyan. Ganon. Tapos i-blend nyo pababa, hindi pataas. Yan, pababa. Sobrang Latina, petit na pa-OA niya. Are you Filipino or half? No, I'm Korean. Ayan. Again, pag ganun nyo, para madali, ayan. Di ba nakikita nyo itong butas na to dito? Dito. Pero a little bit down, ha? Ayan, down. Tapos, i-connect nyo sa eyebrow onti. Kung lalaki kayo, ha? Tapos, pull it down. Blend it down. And sometimes, what I do is I connect it with the eyeshadow, pero hindi ako mag-eyeshadow. Kasi this is just interview, hindi naman to Met Gala, eh. Ano ka? Si Kendall Jenner. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung halata. And then we put more. Dito. So, nasa inyo na yan. Kung mahaba yung ilong nyo dito, like kagaya ko, kagaya ni Cy Smith, kagaya ni Brix Galliano, ayan. You can tell by the face shape. Pag mahaba yung ilong nyo kagaya sa amin tatlo, ang babawasan nyo dito, sa dulo. Para mas mukhang younger. Kasi when your nose is a little bit shorter, it makes you more baby face. Sabi nila. Not that I'm saying pangit kami o magkaiba yun. I'm just giving you guys a tip, okay? If you guys have long nose, I'm just setting an example by telling who is familiar with you guys. Like, may interview lang ako with Pak Hyung-sik. Video call kami. Kulit tawag ng tawag. Hinahanap ako. Hoy. Okay. And then here, right? You reduce it here. And then if you have like a bird nose, you can touch it here, but what I like to do, 'di ba yung doing makeup, they do it here, right? To be honest, hindi ko siya masyadong ginagalaw dito ngayon. I contoured this place. I contoured this side of the nose using blush. Mas natural siya para sa akin kesa contour. But just for the sake, ayan. Puro cream I hope my audio is fine. Hi, Jake. Punta ka water bomb tomorrow. 23 ako. Oh, okay. Ay. Naka-live talaga ikaw, Jinho. Diba? Ito. Under the neck. Hindi ko makita sarili ko. Yan. You know what I'll be trying next month? I'm gonna be trying the Skin Station's 360 face V-lift. Basta. Abangan nyo yung vlog ko dyan. Hindi siya invasive. More on laser siya. Tignan natin kung kaya ako ni Skin Station. Alam ko, ambassador ako Hello, Ems! Yan, may leeg na siya. Grabe ka naman sa akin. Yan, may leeg ka na daw. Hoy, umayos kayo. Uy, nababasa ko pa rin yung mga comment nyo. Alam ko, busy ako dito. Yan. So, what I like to do is, I like to draw line here kasi malaki yung cheekbone ko. Ito yung problema ng mga Koreans. Masyadong mukhang chubby cheeks kasi dahil sa buto namin. Hindi ko talaga gets bakit sinasabi ng mga Pinoy, chubby cheeks daw to. Hindi ito taba, buto to. Hindi, ayoko nang masyadong contour. Guys, pag sumobra yung contour, alam mo, minsan, tanggapin nyo na lang yung sarili nyo kung anong binigay sa'yo ng Lord. Hindi yung gusto nyo ibahin yung itsura nyo sa makeup, be. Enhance lang, be. Hindi yung baguhin nyo yung identity nyo. Mukha ka tuloy yung bugbog. A little bit shadow lang ang contour, hindi siya retoke, B. Tanggap-tanggap din. Pag bilog ang mukha nyo, siguro bilog. Huwag mong gawing triangle. Illuminati. Huwag nyo pilitin kasi. Kung bilog, tanggapin mong bilog. Gawin mong medyo oblong. Hindi yung bilog na yung mukha mo. Gusto mo triangle agad ang achieve mo. Kasalanan. Tapos magagalit kayo sa makeup. Ay, hindi siya gumagana. Pinipilit mo kasi. Lahat tayo pinanganak ng Ivana Alawi. Lahat tayo pinanganak ng Piolo Pascual. Sana all, di ba? Sino kaaway mo? Ikaw. Ang salamin. Di ba yung iba gusto hexagon, octagon, di ba? Bagsak naman sa mat. Okay. Ngayon, mag-powder po tayo. This is a new powder. I saw, what do you want me to use? Laura Mercier or Terry? Laura, Terry. Ano ulit to? Ting, 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 ting. Ting, 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 ting. What do you guys want to see? Laura, but I see a lot of Laura. Okay. I'll show you guys Laura. I'm sorry sa nag-vote ng Terry. Medyo nanalo yung Laura. Okay, this is Laura Mercier. Naipit yun. Ang sakit ng hina. Aray ko. Naipit yun. Aray ko. Naipit sa takip ito. Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder Purdue Compact Perfect Translucent. This one, I really want to show you guys this next time. This is very underrated. I bought this kasi ginagamit ng isang sikat na Korean makeup artist. I'll show you guys next time. Ang sakit! Tangina mo, Laura. Hindi ka magagalit kay Laura. Okay, I have brush. Let me just dust it off. So, ganun po siya. Medyo illuminating. I don't know if you guys can see the pearl. So, I'll show you guys how it looks like if you do this. It's very fine. Pero parang glowy siya. Hindi siya yung matte na matte. Which yun ang gusto ko. Okay, so we're gonna tap it here. Kabila din. Kasi tamad tayo bumalik. Okay, excess. And then, I start with here, where I don't want to glow. And dito, kill the shine. Hindi siya yung matte na matte ha. Hindi po ako nagbe-bake, hindi po ako nagaganyan ha. Feeling Latina talaga, ayan. Like, unti-unti nawawala yung shine, pero it's setting the cushion foundation. Okay. Again, unti-unti lang. Patong-patong lang tayo. Key to, hindi halatang makeup. Ayan. And don't forget to crack dito. And then, a little bit here. Kung saan mo ipapatong ang blush. A little. You know what I really hate? I really hate it when, I don't know with you guys, but I really hate it when yung dito, punong-puno ng powder, tapos yung eyelashes ko, parang pag sobrang daming powder, doon ako naiinis kasi hindi naman ako mamaskara. Hindi naman nagmamaskara yung mga lalaki, di ba? Actually, kahit mga babae. My brush is from Picasso. This is super worth it. Super worth it. Diba? If you guys use the powder brush na ganon, wala, parang ang harsh sa skin mo, tapos Wala, parang mapipeel off yung foundation. Pero this one is like this. It's like a fingertip. So what it does is, it picks it up, tapos pinapasok niya talaga sa pores mo, ganun. Ganun. Tapos tap-tap lang. Tap-tap. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. Tapos na si Laura. Now we have two types of... Okay. First layer of blush. Do we go for a little bit milky or do we go a little bit rosy or white? Di ko alam kung dahil sa ilaw. This one's a little bit pinkish. This one's a little bit whitish. What do you guys want to see? Coral and this is pink. Pink, coral. This is pink. This is coral. Coral. Okay. We go for coral. Thank you guys. Buti sumasagot na kayo. Nilalamig ako. Nilalamig ako pero maganda pa rin ang audio. Wait, let me zoom. Oh. Jeez. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get like a fluffy brush. Brush? And this is first layer of blush, ha? This is also from Picasso. Just letting you guys know. Ang dali mag-product shot dito. Sa Sony, ginaganon ko pa eh. Hala, tumaba ka dyan. Hala, tumaba ba ako? Promise? Grabe, bago yun ah. I didn't realize. My God, thanks for letting me know, girl. Di ba? Ang ganda ng camera. Oh, ito guys. Itap-tap nyo lang dito. Again, please, wag kayong mag-blush ng ganun, oh. Yung ganun. Kawawa. Ganun lang. Tap-tap. Tap-tap. Tapos, onting bawas. Again, we're using Holyland. Aray ko, yung likod ko tumunog. Na-cancel ba yung noise ng likod ko? Sana hindi nyo narinig. Sana hindi mo na-pick up. Okay. Again, we're using Holyland Venus Live version 2. Yan. Ito hindi to halata sa una, guys. It's almost like parang padagdag lang siya. It's like a base for your skin complexion lang. Di ba pag nag-foundation kayo, parang mukha kang masyadong dilaw, orange, puti, di ba, in my case. Ito, what it does is, it just adds a little bit of color or yung kulay ng dugo, kumbaga. Mukhang may blood circulation ka, ganon ang dating. And it's a Korean style of makeup. Ayan. Hindi siya halata sa camera. Dahil sa ilaw. Pero pag lumapit ako medyo, parang hindi nga halata. Wait lang. I think I dusted off too much. Ayan. Feeling ko kasi ka-skin tone ko siya. Ayan. Medyo nakikita ko po siya sa salamin, so hindi ko po alam kung makikita nyo. So this is just the base. So this blush, this type of base blush isn't meant for like dramatic, na parang boom, pop agad yung blush. Ito yung gagawin yung base para mag-pop up yung kasunod mong blush. Which I'll be showing you guys later. Doon kayo may excite kasi ang dami kong nagasto sa blush brands na yan. Ayan. I'll show you guys. So wait, let's put the base para mas kita. Okay. And then, what I like to do with the base blush is I bring it until here. Since it's base blush. Pero ganun lang po, ganun. Parang highlighter zone, ganun. it works best with my face shape. I noticed, and I connect it with the contour a while ago a little bit, like here. Ang cute na gumagamit. Yes, I love you. And I also like to put it a little bit here. Para naman pantay yung kulay. Kasi ang weird naman, di ba? Gusto mo gayahin yung skin complexion mo, dito ka lang may skin complexion. Siyempre, add a little here. High points of your face. Like I said, this is not Latina makeup. Okay lang po yung Latina. Ayan. Medyo pinkish po siya. Medyo pinkish po siya. Ang ganap ko po ngayon, may interview po ako kasama si Pak Kyung-sik. And ito na ang exciting parts, guys. Ito na ang exciting part. Blush. Okay. The point blush. We call it the point blush in Korea. We have Chanel and YSL. Yes. Oh, you guys, ito yung bago ngayon. It's so good. Ito yung pinakabago ngayon. It's my favorite. So, ito hindi na natin gagamitin, itong baby doll, kasi this was supposed to be the base blush. So, we're gonna use the point blush, which is the Berry Bang, I think. Bakit hindi nakalagay? Yan. It's very cool tone because I have a cool tone skin, okay? I bought this from a reseller po. This one was 3,500, 3,400. This one you can buy in Rustin. This one's also really nice. But this one's really powdery and very pigmented. Sobrang mahal, pero look at this packaging. Guys, look. Like, imagine like you pulling out this from your bag and you just retouch your lips. Sasabihin ng mga kasama mo, ano yan? Diba? But let me, you know what? Mamaya na yan. Mamaya na yung pag-judge nyo sa akin sa gastos ko. But let me just show you guys, okay? So this is how it looks like. I'll show you guys on how it looks here. Nako, 20 na to! 20 na to! It's a cool berry color. Bente na to. Wala na. Para sa inyo. So for point blush, so for point blush, you get a little brush like this. Wag yung malaki. So we're gonna do the red makeup. Ito. Super pigmented to, as in, guys. Natatakot ako lagi. Every time I use this, it scares me. Like 1-2 tap, it's enough. 1-2, enough. And then, yung point blush, kaya siya point blush kasi hindi mo siya ipagkalat. Ibo-blush mo kung saan mo gusto i-focus yung mata ng mga tao. So what I would like to do is, since malaki ang mukha ko, gusto ko mag-focus sila sa gitna, hindi dito. Kasi pag nilagay mo point blush dito tsaka dito, edi mukhang equator line. So I would only like to put it here. Here. Oh my God. 1-2 tap lang. Tapos ang dami kong na-dust off. Pero it's already... grabing pigment to. Do you guys see the pigment? Mukha akong... partida, ginanon ko pa. Oh my God, kailangan ko siyang bawasan gamit finger. Bae Sang Seller, please. Anong basang seller? Hindi po ako seller. Huy! Huy, masyadong pigmented. Ala, kaya sabi, ang hirap namang, parang nasa, it's okay. We can cover that with touch-up powder after. It's okay. Dito lang. Dito lang. Mali nga dito eh. Dito lang. I only like putting right under the eye. Dito. Para akong nabugbog dito. It's okay. It's okay. We can fix it. Calm down. Calm down. para akong nasuntok dito. It's okay. You get the cushion you used a while ago. You just tap it. Or beauty blender or whatever. Nabawasan na. Sinisipon tuloy ako. Katakot talaga. So imagine how long you can use this blush. I literally, one tap. Tapos I put a little bit here in the nose. And a little bit here. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo, instead of contouring here, gamitin nyo to. And then here. Yung excess lang yung excess lang. A little bit. And here. Parang gamitin nyo yung blush as contour. Saan nyo nabili para legit makuha ko? Oh, I got it from a trusted online seller on a Orange app. Yung pasabay. Yung talagang may pre-order and resibo po from YSL. Parang pasabay London ata. Dapat, basta po may preferred and see the rating. Yan. I know it kind of looks insane, but it will all make sense. I hope. Yan. Okay. Okay na. Shop po. Bagay naman. It's okay, guys. Slay. Now, since tamad ako magkilay, we're just gonna use eyebrow mascara. So, my favorite, all-time favorite, itong local brand, Sunny's. Ewan ko, pinaka-natural siya, and para sa akin, hindi din siya kasing kapal. Madali lang din siya bawasan, dagdagan. Should I go for dark brown or gray? Ash brown? Should I go for black brown or ash brown? Gray. Perfect. Decision ako eh. Ash. This is actually best for natural. People think black brown is what's best for people's hair, pero sometimes itong ash. Well, sa skin tone ko ito. Ang gagawin nyo lang ganun, di ba? Ikot. Siyempre, bawasan nyo onti, ganun, sa gilid. Para hindi mabuo-buo agad yung kilay nyo. Okay? You guys wanna zoom in? Okay. I'll bring you guys in. Ito yung maganda sa Holy Land. Okay. Oh, sobra na. Feeling close. Lumayo, onti. Naka. Yan. Taray. Okay. Okay, let's go. So, para hindi makapal agad, one tip I wanna share with you guys is, siyempre, wala dapat ikaw buhok, pero, wala akong tali dito. Dito ka magsimula. Wag dito. Buisit, may langaw. Dito, sa gitna. Wag sa dulo, wag sa harap. Lalo na sa harap. Pinaka-last ng harap. So you start from the middle. Okay? And you pull it backwards. Okay? And then yung natira, yun yung dadalin nyo sa harap. This is for beginners ha. Pero pag marunong ka kumontrol ng ano nyo, yung power nyo, yung strength or like flick, pwede kayo kahit saan kayo magsimula. Pero para less room for mistakes, I suggest you guys start from here, gitna. Tapos pag nag-dip kayo ulit, kakapal pa lalo yan. Pero ako okay na to. Kasi buti na lang hindi ako kinalbo ni Lord nung ginawa ko. Nung ginawa yung kilay ko, hindi niya ako kinalbo. Sabi niya, okay na yan. Ayan, ganun lang po. Diba? Para akong do you guys see the difference? Hindi ako gumamit ng brow pencil. But look, it already looks much more full. Diba? Hi, Kuya Gino. Hi, Nika. Hi, Cyril. Ba't kayo tumatawa dyan? Anong size ng pako sa te? So, we're gonna start here. Ay, by the way guys, meron akong GC ngayon dito sa TikTok. Gusto nyo ba? Pero mga ano lang, babies, bacons, horangis, mga ganun. Huwag naman sana yung ano. Andyan yung moderator. Siya mag-a-add. Parang wala daw ata limit eh. So kung gusto nyo, pa-add na kayo. Ayan si Sab. Si Kuya Sab, lagi nandito Miss Sab pala. Ayun. Anong oras? Sige, may 1 hour pa ako, B. Ayun. Ano ulit shade ng blusher? Which one po? Yung sa YSL po? I got Berry Bang. I think. Yan yung name. Berry Bang ata. Oh my God, naglalag yung cellphone ko. Sunnies lang po ito. Super worth it. So kung gusto niyo yung ano, medyo mukhang full yung brows nyo, fuller yung brows nyo, pero ayaw nyo yung sobrang kapal, yung madali lang gamitin, I really suggest this one. Medyo ano, like mildly long-lasting. Hindi siya yung ultra long-lasting. And to be honest, I'm not a fan of like ultra long-lasting products kasi I just feel like it's not meant for skins. Parang para akong naglalagay ng Boysen. No offense kay Boysen, pero syempre pintura sila, kailangan mag-long-lasting forever na nga eh. Pero ayoko yung ganun sa mukha ko. Highlighter! Sinisipon. Sinisipon. So for highlighters, actually I really need to explore more Western highlighters, but Western highlighters are kind of too blinding for me. So I'll show you guys my favorite highlighters nowadays, okay? Oh, it's still the same. Itong dalawa. So we have Oprah Glazed Donut and we have Glint Milky Moon. What should I use? These two are my favorite. Ofra Glint. Ofra. I see a lot of Ofra. Oh, you guys like Ofra. You know, I thought this was a Korean brand, but apparently it's a US brand. Pero mas sikat lang siya sa Korea. So, I'll show you guys. Oh, did you guys hear that crack? Okay, I'll show you guys. I'll show you guys how it... Zoom in ulit tayo. Eh, baka nasusuka na kayo ha. Zoom in lang, zoom in ha. Okay. So, this is the glazed donut. Ito yung shade. Pang everyday. This is very pigmented, okay? Pero ano lang siya. Okay, I'll show you. So, this is without, I mean. I'll show you guys magic. Init. Alam nyo ba yung parang pag pinatay nyo yung fan, mainit. Pag binuksan nyo, pag nakasindi yung electric fan, nilalamig kayo. Pero pag nakapatay naman, pawis agad yung bayag. Hindi. Wala pa akong nilagay sa lips. Ano yan? Tingnan nyo guys ha. Without, this is without. With. It's so fine, no? Before and before. Oh, hindi oh. Are you blind? You're probably a toxic masculine guy who doesn't understand the art of makeup. Chara. And I don't like, hindi ako nagko-connect ng ganun agad. Dito muna. Dito. Diba? Usually dito nagpapa-fillers yung mga tao eh. So dito kayo magano. Ulit di ko na yun. Bakit mo ko i-SS? Ayan. Yan. Tapos yung excess, yun yung i-connect mo. Actually, on a normal day, hindi ganito kakapal yung makeup ko, tsaka lalo na yung highlighter ko. Pero kinakapalan ko siya ngayon kasi nga, ang lakas ng ilaw mamaya. So, mawawash out siya. And it's in front of camera, so mawawalan din yung yung quality and everything. Since it's a Zoom call. So, I just want to show you guys. So, I'm making it extra kapal. Pero, ganda, no? Do you guys see this? Okay, I'll zoom it out para mas... OA. Di ba ang ganda? And one tips tuloy. Hi, Rosie! Thank you for the heart. And one tip for you guys is, I contour. Di ba nag-contour tayo dito? Ay. No, we have detected inactivity. Paano to? Hindi ko ma-puzzle. Baka mamatay yung live, guys. You know what? I'll make it fast. Hindi ko ma-puzzle. Nawala live ko. Nawala ata live ko saglit. I like to put it down here. This part. Kung wala kayong nose bridge, it's okay. Don't do it. Pero if you guys have, or if you guys plan on getting fillers, try it down here and here. Do you guys still see me? Naka-live pa rin naman ako, di ba? Okay. Alright, so yan yung tip. Here, di ba ito yung contour line. Put it down here. Ito yung contour line, put it down here. Pag wala kayong ganito, iyak. Hindi. A little bit here. Mas mukhang magtangos yung ano. Gatekeep sa highlighter. Bakit sinabi ko na Ofra? Kayo nga pumili eh. Look at this highlighter. Isn't this amazing, Grace? So in Ofra, they also have different, shades like Pillow Talk, which has pink in it. They have Peppermint, which has a little bit of green in it. I'll show you guys. Nagta-timer talaga yung TikTok ko. So I'll show you. This is what I use for, grabe pigment to. Cheeks. Di ba? When you smile, I don't bring it up here. If you have big face like me, put it in the center here. And here. You will look glowy. Like a Krispy Kreme donut. Grabe kala mo. Do you guys see this? Glowy? Pero this is not for nose and nose bridge. It's more for complexion. Here, gitna. Wag mo abutin dito. Siguro kung gusto mo cheekbone, iano mo dito. Pero ako kasi ang dami kong cheekbone eh. Pwede ko i-share sa isang buong barangay eh. Kaya dito ko na lang i-focus. And of course, before my live ends, my all-time favorite setting spray. This is so good. Mag-give back ako neto. Mag-leave kayo ng comment sa latest post ko sa Holy Land. Ugh! It smells good too. Like cucumber, like lemon. Melon. So, that was Get Latino with me. Do you guys see my face? Does it look good? Okay. Di ko alam kung may end tong live. 40 seconds na lang. Wala akong mahanap na puzzle eh. So that was my Get Latino with me using the... Let me do that again. Okay, mag-end na yung live po tayo. So guys, that was my Get Latino with me using the latest equipment of Holy Land Holy Land Venus Live version 2 and Holy Land Lark M2S. Grabe. Sobrang ganda naman. See you guys. Hindi ko alam kung may end.